Good morning, everyone. Margo Christophilis here again. We're going to talk about open houses and how we attend them. So, when there are open houses, there will always be agents that are working for the listing agent or for the company, and they're truly there to get their own business. So, what I suggest is normally my clients do go with me to open houses, but if for some reason I can't go or they would like to go by themselves, there's just a couple, rules that I suggest. That is, try not to sign in, because when you sign in, they're going to continue to call you repeatedly. Also, just take as many notes as you can, because I'm going to go through the house again as well if we decide we're putting an offer on it. It is good when you are going to the open houses to time it to the possibility of work and how long it will take you to get to work. But most importantly, it's convenience. If you're in the area or you guys just really want to be out searching, I have absolutely no problem and love going to the open houses with my clients. But if for some reason, again, it's a time restraint and you want to go by yourself, just be careful, because a lot of people will have you write information down and then they will continue to call you repeatedly. It does help to say, you do have an agent and you can name your agent, but at the end of the day, they're there to work for the seller and I'm here to work for you. Please let me know if you have any other questions, and I'm so looking forward to continuing our work together. Have a great day.